Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll solve combination sum 2. Now go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an array. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to find all unique combination from the array where the sum of the combination is equal to k, and k is the target sum, and each number can only be used once in a combination. Now understand this problem through an example. In first example, our n is the what is n is the numbers of elements in the array, and k is the target. Sum. We need to find sum of k. Sum of k means sum of 30. How many combination we will get from this array? We find that thing, that all combination, possible combination. First combination will be this 5 plus 10 plus 15. This will be our first combination. 5, 10, 15. This is our first combination. And second combination will be 5 and 25. 5 plus 25, 30. This is our second combination. And third combination will be only 30. Only 30. And fourth combination will be 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10. This is our fourth combination. 20 plus 10, 20 plus 10. It's a fourth combination. If any combination we can get from this array, no, we used all possible combinations. So we can get only 4 combination from this array, and in output it will show like this, like we are show that these 4 combination. And in example 2, our array elements 5 and target is 7. Target is 7. And we need to find possible combination from this array uh, to uh, to compare with our target 7, sum of 7. Okay, and first combination we can get from this 1, this 1 plus 2, no, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. This is our first combination. 1 plus 3 plus 3. 2 will be discarded. Next combination 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. This is our second combination. 2 plus 5, 7. Can we get any other combination from this array? No, we use both possible combinations. So only we can get from this array 2 combination. So in output it will show these 2 combination. These 2 combination only. Now approach. What is the approach of this problem? We will use a technique called bracketing. Okay, bracketing. Why is bracketing? To generate these all possible combination. These all possible combination from this array. And bracketing means a systematic way to explore all possible combination without repetition, because in our problem statement they also say we can use each number can only be used once in a combination. So we use bracketing. And step 3, we will create a recursive function that explores different combination. Okay, and next step, in each step we will decide to whether to include the current number or skip it, and exploring all possible paths. Okay, and last approach, we will ensure that we don't repeat the combination by sorting the array and avoiding duplicate elements in a combination. This is also said in our problem statement. Now pseudocode. In pseudocode, first we will get combination sum. We will get combination sum. This sort the array. This will be sort the array. First we sort the array ascending order, then this helps us avoid duplicate combination. And then we initialize empty list. And then we start bracketing process. All, find all combination, this current position combination using bracketing process. Then we will initialize, we create a condition to find the target possible combination. If get any possible combination, it will store and it will continue. Okay, if array remaining sum, then it will break and add array to the current combination. Okay, and last we remove from the current combination. Okay, now go to code. First, we create array sort for to handle all of duplicates value and improve the efficiency of the code. Then we initialize result and current combination, these two variable. Then we define break function, and then create a condition if target equals to 0. Then it will reach to the target, and current combination will add to the result, then it will return. Then we iterate the array starting from the index, so we create a for loop, and it will start from the start index to the array. Then if it's find any duplicate value, it will remove that duplicate combination. So we create if I greater than start and array I equals to array I minus 1. Okay, it will continue. Then we check if current element can be a part of combination. So we create if array I less than equals to target, then target combination will go to array. Then we recursively find the combination with remaining elements, all of remaining elements. Then we break tag by removing the last of element. So we declare pop function. Then we start bracketing from index 0 of array, and we to reach the with the target value k. Okay, with the target value k, then it will return to the result. Is the time complexity of this. Time complexity is O of 2 mean and NP, and space complexity will O of n. Now compile it. Okay, now submit. And yeah, it's done. We solved today's problem. See you in next video. Till then, data. Bye bye.